Hello students, I welcome all the students of class 1 to maths revision for online test. Uh, the syllabus for online test is chapter number 9 and 10. Alright students, so yesterday we have already finished the revision from chapter number 9. Today I am going to do revision from chapter number 10. Alright students, okay, so we will first learn about the clock. Okay, to know the exact duration of any event, we need to know that we need to know how to read the clock. Okay, so suppose like how much time you have taken to do your classwork, or how much time you have been playing in the evening, or how much time you are at a school. All these things, if you want to know, then you need to know how to read the clock. Okay, this is a phase of the clock. Okay, this is the phase of the clock. Now numbers from 1 to 12 are written on the clock. Okay, now there are two hands on the clock. The shorter hand is called, this is the shorter hand, it is called the hour hand. Okay, and this is the longer hand, and it is called as the, it is also known as the minute hand. Okay, now the hour hand tells us the time when the minute hand is at 12. Okay, that means when the minute hand comes at 12, okay, and suppose if the shorter hand is at 12, that means the time is exactly 10 o'clock. Alright, now if the shorter hand is at, shorter hand I mean to say that if the hour hand is at 11 and the minute hand is at 12, that means the time is 11 o'clock. Alright, now when the minute hand is at 12, the time is in full hours. Okay, we call it as we call it as full hours, or when the minute hand points at 12, it is also known as o'clock time. Okay, o'clock time means exactly maybe 1 o'clock, or exactly 2 o'clock, exactly 3 o'clock. Those times are known as o'clock time. Okay, now in this clock, the minute hand is pointing towards 9 and the hour hand is pointing towards, it's about to reach 10. That means this time, how you are going to read this time? This time you can read it as quarter to 10. That means it is not yet 10 o'clock. 15 minutes more for 10 o'clock. So how do you say? You say it as quarter to 10 o'clock. Okay. Alright. Now this was all about the clock. Now we will learn about the days of the week. Okay. There are 7 days in a week. Okay, Monday is the first day of the week and Sunday is the last day of the week. Okay, after Sunday again it comes Monday. Okay, the repetition of the days goes on without an end. Okay, here it is shown Sunday in the first place, but actually in your book it is given as Monday is the first day of the week. Okay, if the question comes dash is the first day of the week, you will be writing Monday, not Sunday. All right, Sunday is the last day of the week. Okay, now which day is between Tuesday and Thursday? Then in that case you have to say Wednesday is between Tuesday and Thursday. Alright, so there is nothing much to learn in days of the week. Only you need to know that there are 7 days in a week, and Monday is the first day of the week, Sunday is the last day of the week, okay, and Wednesday comes after Tuesday, okay, or suppose Friday is between Thursday and Saturday. These things only you need to know, and you also need to know the spellings of all these weeks correctly. Alright, okay, now we will be learning about the months in a year. Okay, there are 12 months in a year. Okay, students, January is the first month of the year and December is the last month of the year. Okay, after this December, again what will happen? The rotation will go on. Okay, that means after December again it will begin with January, then February, March, April, May, June, okay, July, August, September, October, November and December. Understand? So if the question comes as which is the 6th month of the year, so what will be your answer, students? Yeah, it will be June, isn't it? See, this is the first month, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So June is the 6th month of the year. If the question is coming which month comes between August and October, then what you are going to write? You will be writing September. Okay. Now children, do you know which is the present month of the year? What is the present month of the year? Yeah, the present month of the year is January. Okay, you need to know the spelling of all these months of the year. Okay, so only these things you need to know here. And you also need to know that how many months of the year has the first letter with J. Which months are having the first letter with J? January is having, June is having starting with the letter J, January is starting with the letter J, and July is starting with the letter J. Okay, so how many months? 1, 2 and 3. How many months are starting with the first letter J? If the question comes, you will be writing 3 months. Okay, now if the question comes how many months are there in a year, what you are going to write? There are 12 months in a year. Okay, so 1 week has got how many days? 1 week has got 7 days. Okay, now in a clock the shorthand is dash hand. In that case, what will be your answer? The shorthand is the minute hand or hour hand. What you will write? In a clock, the shorthand is the hour hand. Okay. Now, dash hand of a clock moves faster. Which hand moves faster? Minute hand moves faster or hour hand moves faster? Minute hand of a clock moves faster, right? So if the question comes like that, you have to write minute hand of a clock moves faster. Alright children. Now one more question. The month which comes between March and July. So between March and the month which comes between March and July but before May. Okay, between March and July, not July, between March and between March and July. Okay, but before May. Before May is what? It is April. So the answer in that case should be April. Alright, children. So I hope you understood what are the main things for you to prepare for the online test from chapter 10. You need to know about the clock, okay, about the days of the week, and you should also know about the months of the year. Okay, students. So only this much revision is there before your test. Thank you so much for and all the best for your online test, students. Have a nice day.